Hi, I'm with my lovely guest Isha, and today I'm going to explain you how to do a spa ritual at home. I will be using our new signature oil collection. It's care for hair and body that creates glass-like shine. As part of this collection, we added the indulgent fluid oil and we added to our new collection the Beautifying Rich Oil. This is a super rich oil that absorbs really quickly into the hair, scalp and body. When you put it in your hands, you really feel straight away that it's really smooth and soft and really hydrates. It absorbs really quickly into the hair, but also the scalp and also into the skin. It smells super nice and it reminds me about holidays. So now I'm going to show Isha how to use the Beautifying Rich Oil as a ritual at home with our new massage stone. So you have to use like 2 pumps, only at the fingertips, and then make like a side parting. And then really massage it to the scalp. For better product absorption, you use the stone as sort of a comb and then do it sort of slowly. And then you turn the other side, so you use the thicker one. So this helps for the scalp circulation, but also to have less scalp tension. So you can also use the Beautifying Rich Oil not only for the scalp, but also for in the skin. So I would apply a little bit on my hands. So what is also a super nice tip is when you come after the shower and you still have a little bit of damp water on your skin, you put the Beautifying Rich Oil also on your skin. It absorbs better and it gives like this really nice, smooth, silky appeal. To finish everything and to make it really like this spa ritual feel, you light up the replenished Memento candle to have that extra smell and scent in your bathroom.